Hi, just a short video to talk to you about this Miele Compact C3 Extreme PowerLine Black Vacuum Cleaner. So it comes in good used condition, it's fully working. The bodywork, it does have scratches all over, as you can see, but it's in good working order. Comes with the 3 power tools, a new bag, a new filter. This has been cleaned inside. This is a used HEP filter. It still works okay. As you can see, the edge gone. This needs replacing basically, because it will make a whining noise. It's not the vacuum cleaner, it's the filter where it doesn't seal properly. I'll show you it working. And that's the filter was making that noise. So it comes with the brush head, telescopic handle, hose and a handle. It's in good working order, but it does have used scratch marks, as you can see. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.